So that is pretty much my morning routine. I kind of just chill after that. I'll still do some like random cleaning, but we just need to do laundry. We're gonna run errands, so I might have a vlog up after this. That's like our day, the rest of the day maybe, I don't know. I'm trying to put as much content up as I can and catch my views back up because my views are so low right now. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this morning routine slash what I do on the weekends. I kind of figured I'd just vlog this, I don't know, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below, and follow me on my social media because I have been posting on there like a lot, especially my Instagram stories. So I will leave those in the screen somewhere so you guys can go follow me, and I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye guys.